Sup, Buttercup?
Elsie's by the briar patch, not far from here.
I'll stop by and say hello, see how he's getting along.
Have fun.
Well, fuck me running. If it ain't Lincoln Clay.
Surprised to see me, Alcee?
I heard about Sammy and Ellis. Tough break. I guess you made it out okay.
Speak of them once more, and I'll slice you from ear to asshole. Let's go. We're taking a drive.
Assuming I don't have a choice here.
What do you think?
Lead the way. You know I've stayed away. I ain't stepped foot in the hollow since November of '62. Almost 6 years.
I know.
Can you at least tell me where we're going?
The Acadia. It's where Tommy Markano holds his jungle fights, right?
I ain't gonna question your driving, but you might want to pay attention.
The Acadia. It's where Tommy Markano holds his jungle fights, right?
It is.
And you've been recruiting black fighters for him.
I have.
Good. Because I want in.
What? Why? Where was
I wanted you to know I'd have told you.
If I'm sticking my ass out like that, I need to know why.
Motherfucker, you lucky to be alive after what you did to Sammy. You really think he wouldn't notice you stealing all that money?
Look, I paid for that 100 times over. 6 years banished from the only place I ever call home. Christ, I couldn't even go see my mama on her deathbed.
You made your choice. And now it's time to make another one.
I ain't gonna question your driving, but you might want to pay attention. And I do this.
You get a clean slate. Come and go through the hollow as you please.
Fuck. Okay. You trying to wreck?
I hear if you win out, Tommy meets you in person. That true?
He likes to size up the winners. See if there's someone he will. You gonna kill us! Where was I? I ain't gonna question your driving, but you might want to pay attention. Well, what was I saying? He likes to size up the winners. See if there's someone he wants to bring on regular, or if they're just a one-time deal.
Where's this happen?
Usually up there in his office. One of his guys will meet you in the locker room after the fight. He'll take you to timing.
All right.
Hold up, Alcee. Who the fuck's this?
This is Jackknife Johnson.
What's he here for?
Fuck you mean what he here for? We here to fight, boy.
Gotta search him. No weapons allowed.
Do what you gotta do. Watch where you put your hands, motherfucker.
Save it for the ring, dipshit. Go ahead.
Locker room's down here on the end.
Hello. Hang back, boys.
Motherfucker needs a doctor.
Just dump him in an alley. Let nature take its course.
You good now. Go on.
How you, Neville?
Where you at, Alcee?
All right. I gotta go make the arrangements. Give him your name and such. You go on and get changed.
Who you got with you tonight, Alcee?
New guy.
New guy looks tough, but my money's staying on the brawler.
I gotta ask you something, Alcee.
What's that?
Do all you niggas love beating the fuck out of each other?
Nah. So what happens if we get caught?
Probably what you think.
For a chance to go home again, it's worth it. No matter what happens, we should go. This is it. You nervous?
Should I be?
Guess that depends on where all this ends. You're gonna head through these doors and they announce your name, then make your way to your corner.
Where are you going?
Oh, I'll meet you there. This part of the show is all about you. They love showing off their fighting niggas.
Get in there, meat.
And the jungle fights continue, boys! The next challenger to face Nick Boom Boom Beaumont comes in at over 6 feet tall, weighing approximately 220 pounds. This is Jackknife Johnson!
Kick the piss out of him! Knock his teeth in!
Dead brother here.
Knuckle up, asshole!
We have our winner! In the white corner, Jackknife Johnson! Our next fighter hails from Buckley Mills. You'll know him as Bobby Ledoux, the beautiful Brawler.
Boom Boom was a paper bag compared to the brawler. You gotta keep moving and don't let him get you in the corner.
Stay out of the corner. Got it.
Break him in two!
Jack Johnson is on a roll tonight. Next up, the champ. Making his way to the ring is the beast of the bayou, the rampage of River Row, your champion, Grave Digger Vaughn.
You know why they call him Grave Digger.
Because he buries motherfuckers?
Well, yeah.
So how do I beat him?
You hit him really, really hard. Come on, fire! What the fuck you call that? I said hit that motherfucker! Hit him harder! What the fuck you call that? I said hit that motherfucker!
We have a new champion, Mr. Jack Knife Johnson!
All right, that's it, kid. Let's go.
What happens now?
You head on back to the locker room and collect your winnings.
And where are you heading?
Me, I got business to attend to.
You niggas really know how to brawl. My respect, that's for fucking sure.
And you are gonna hurt like no one's hurt before.
Fuck you.
Guess you ready to die.
You still be conscious as the flames creep up your legs. But as they burn, you be hit in the gut with a sickening revelation. Before you die, you gon' feel your pecker burn. It's gon' curl and twist as the flames consume it. The pain will be extraordinary. And you beg me to kill you. And you are gonna hurt like no one's hurt before.
Fuck you.
Guess you ready to die.
you still be conscious as the flames creep up your legs. But as they burn, you be hit in the gut with a sickening revelation. Before you die, you gon' feel your pecker burning. It's gonna curl and twist as the flame. Hey! Jesus Christ! To do this, we can work something out.
Only thing needs working out of your funeral arrangements.
Don't let me burn, please.
Don't worry. Lou and Sal will be along shortly.
No, no, no! Come back! Come back! Rush him!
He's unloading on us!
Oh, shit! Drop a fucking Molotov! I was fucking born for this! No fucking way! Set his ass on fire! Just back me up.
Stay away!
Son, take your whooping like a man.
available, units. Suspicious individual on foot. Officers investigating. Responding units. Visual contact with suspect lost.
We've wasted enough time. Let's go.
South Downs belongs to us. Tommy was smart and set up some solid, low-key rackets there. Should be a smooth transition for us.
You put action on the table and call it the way you see it, right? Well, ain't nothing changed since you gave me the last district, so I say, trust your fucking instincts.
Look here, it ain't Scalera's fault, but he can't handle more than what you've given him. Look at him, he's just a dumb fucking Dago. You're smarter than that lad, which is why I'm certain you'll pass these rackets over to me.
You come in here preaching patience and understanding, yet out there, you just fuck with us. Last time you called me to secure one of those rackets, I didn't see jack shit for it. This time you don't call me at all. Consider yourself warned, cause I'm on the fucking edge.
Anytime you want to make a call, I'm good with that.
Are you just another two-faced asshole?
I get it. You gotta consider all your options. Give me the keys to the king.
I value our partnership, Cassandra, but I hope you understand I gotta go with Vito on this.
No. I can't believe I ever let you talk me into this. I'm not just gonna sit here and allow you to lie to my fucking face.
Hey! I know you're used to your little Haitian boys bowing to your every whim, but that shit don't work around here, Cassandra. So cool it.
My patience, my understanding, it's gone, Lincoln. You correct this course we on, or there ain't no words that can walk us back from where we headed.
You ought to listen to her, lad. She may be a pint short of sane, but she's got truth in her. Calls it like she sees it, the way I see it too.
You've said your piece, Cassandra. Let it go. All right, that's it. We're done for now.